Hello, welcome to our YouTube 8VK channel. Please stay tuned and get the latest news and updates around the world. Public consultation meeting in Tengnoupal District declares a firm stance on the removal of Meitei State Forces from the soil of Kuki-Zo ancestral land. The Kuki-Zo Tengnoupal District organized a public consultation meeting with the theme, Way Forward, of the Kuki-Zo people of Tengnoupal District on Thursday. As per declaration issued by the Kuki-Zo Tengnoupal, the meeting unanimously agreed that the Kuki-Zo people of Tengnoupal District will continue to fight tooth and nail in defending Kuki-Zo ancestral land and declared that the Kuki-Zo people of Tengnoupal District stand firmly for the removal of Meitei State Forces (CDOs) from the soil of Kuki-Zo ancestral land. Kuki-Zo Tengnoupal stated that the meeting also objected to the construction of border fencing along the Indo-Myanmar border and declared that the abrogation of the Free Movement Regime, FMR, by the Government of India is highly unacceptable to the Kuki-Zo people. The meeting also declared strong support for the demand of separate administration in the form of union territory with legislature for the Kuki-Zo people. The public meeting also declared that they respect the buffer zones created by the Government of India between Meitei inhabited valley areas and Kuki-Zo ancestral land. As per the declaration, the meeting declared that all Kuki-Zo elected representatives should resign if and when the need arises. The meeting was attended by leaders of various civil society organizations, tribes leaders, church leaders, ex-servicemen, and intellectuals. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also do share your feedback in comment section below.